have one A4 size paper. For this craft we need square paper. I will show you how to make square paper from this A4 size paper. Without using scale or without any measurement, I will show you how to make a square. Here, place in front of you like a rectangle, then fold it in the middle. Put these two corners on these two corners. And press it. Now open it. Here you can see one line. Now just put this edge on this middle line. And press here. You can see triangle. Now just take a pencil and draw a line here. And now open this and cut on this line. Also cut on this middle line. Here we have one square, same another square. Put this edge on this edge. Press it. Make a line here. Open it and cut it. Now here we have two squares. Now take one square. Place this square in front of you like a diamond shape. Now put this corner on this corner. And press it. Now again put this corner on this corner. Press it. Now hold like this. Again we have two corners here. Put this corner on this corner and press it. Now it look like this. Now hold the paper like this. This three opening part put here at your right side and this closing part at your left, and take a pencil and draw a shape like this from here to here. Okay, again take space here and draw, and again draw one curve and join this curve. We are going to cut this part. Okay. Look at this, we are going to cut this part. Take a scissor and cut here. After cutting this, it will look like this. And now open it. See how nice it is looking. Same another flower make with another square paper. Here I have two flowers. Now take a glue, apply glue in the middle, and stick the flower. Here are two petals and this is one petal between these two petals. Put like this and press it. Let it be dry little. Here our flower is ready. You can make many flowers like this and decorate your wall for party.